The Colombo High Court has set a significant precedent in the ongoing corruption case against former Minister Rohitha Bogollagama. In a landmark decision, the court has agreed to proceed with the trial in absentia, marking a pivotal moment in Sri Lanka's fight against political corruption. Judge Mahesh Weeraman, presiding over the High Court, made this crucial ruling after carefully considering the unique circumstances surrounding the case. The Bribery Commission, which has been diligently pursuing this matter, informed the court that Bogollagama is currently residing overseas, making his physical presence in the courtroom unfeasible. This development comes as part of a broader effort to address allegations of corruption within the highest echelons of Sri Lankan politics. Bogollagama, who once held a prominent position in the government, now finds himself at the center of a complex legal battle that has captured the nation's attention. The case against the former minister is rooted in accusations of corrupt practices during his tenure in office. The Bribery Commission, acting as the primary prosecuting body, has meticulously compiled evidence and filed charges under the stringent provisions of the Bribery Act. These allegations, if proven, could have far-reaching implications for both Bogollagama's political career and the broader landscape of accountability in Sri Lankan governance. The decision to proceed with the trial in Bogollagama's absence is not one that the court has taken lightly. It reflects a delicate balance between ensuring justice is served and respecting the rights of the accused. By agreeing to this unusual step, the Colombo High Court has demonstrated its commitment to addressing corruption cases, even when faced with logistical challenges. The next hearing, scheduled for October 30th, will be a crucial juncture in this legal saga. It is at this session that the court will officially determine the trial date, setting in motion a process that could have significant ramifications for Sri Lanka's political and legal spheres. This case has sparked intense debate among legal experts and political commentators alike. Some view it as a necessary step in combating high-level corruption, while others express concerns about the precedent it may set for future cases. Regardless of one's stance, there is no denying the importance of this trial in shaping the country's approach to political accountability. The Bribery Commission's role in bringing this case to court cannot be overstated. As the primary anti-corruption body in Sri Lanka, the Commission has been at the forefront of efforts to investigate and prosecute instances of graft at all levels of government. Their persistence in pursuing this case, even in the face of the accused's absence from the country, underscores their commitment to their mandate. For Rohitha Bogollagama, the stakes could not be higher. Once a prominent figure in Sri Lankan politics, he now faces the prospect of being tried for corruption without being physically present to defend himself. The outcome of this trial could have lasting implications for his legacy and future in public life. The charges against Bogollagama are part of a broader narrative of political corruption that has plagued Sri Lanka for years. Many citizens have long called for greater accountability among their elected officials, and cases like this one are seen as crucial tests of the country's legal system and its ability to hold powerful individuals to account. As the trial date approaches, many questions remain unanswered. How will the court handle the presentation of evidence in the absence of the accused? What mechanisms will be put in place to ensure a fair trial despite Bogollagama's inability to participate directly? These are just a few of the complex issues that Judge Weeraman and his colleagues will need to navigate as they move forward with this unprecedented case. The international community is also watching closely. Sri Lanka's efforts to combat corruption have been a subject of interest for global anti-corruption organizations and foreign governments alike. The handling of this high-profile case could impact perceptions of Sri Lanka's commitment to transparency and good governance on the world stage. For the average Sri Lankan citizen, this case represents more than just a legal proceeding. It is a symbol of the ongoing struggle against corruption that has affected many aspects of daily life in the country. Many hope that a successful prosecution in this case could serve as a deterrent to other officials who might be tempted to abuse their positions for personal gain. As the October 30th hearing approaches, legal teams on both sides are undoubtedly working tirelessly to prepare their arguments. The prosecution will need to present a compelling case that can withstand scrutiny even in the absence of the defendant. While any defense team appointed to represent Bogollagama's interests will face the unique challenge of advocating for a client who cannot be present in court. The decision to proceed with the trial in absentia also raises important questions about international cooperation in legal matters. If Bogollagama remains abroad, will there be efforts to secure his return to face the charges? How might diplomatic channels be utilized in this process? These are complex issues that extend beyond the courtroom and into the realm of international relations. As this case unfolds, it will likely serve as a case study for legal scholars and anti-corruption experts for years to come. The precedents set here could influence how similar cases are handled in the future, not just in Sri Lanka, but potentially in other countries grappling with issues of political corruption. The Colombo High Court's decision to move forward with this trial is a testament to the evolving nature of justice in an increasingly globalized world. It reflects an understanding that the pursuit of accountability cannot always be bound by traditional constraints, especially when dealing with cases involving high-ranking officials who may have the means to avoid facing charges in person. As the nation awaits the October 30th hearing, there is a palpable sense of anticipation. Will this case mark a turning point in Sri Lanka's fight against corruption, or will it face unforeseen challenges that complicate the pursuit of justice? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the eyes of the nation, and indeed the world, will be watching closely as this unprecedented legal drama unfolds in the Colombo High Court.